everyone, we're the DIY kids, and we just finished making these squishies. And we are finishing this video, and I hope you like this video. We are making DIY squishies today, and they dried overnight, and we just finished making the faces. Now we are gonna keep them for 100 years. No, for lots of days. Let's get started. It's the squishy time. First, you need some foam. Get an adult to help. Check out the description box if you want to buy some foam. We're cutting it into shapes. You can do any shape you want, and Rainbow A is doing cotton candy, and Crafty C is doing a cookie with jam in the middle. And Unicorn B is making a pizza. Next, take some craft paint and paint your shapes how you want. We're using red, pink, and purple, black, gray, and blue, and yellow, and green. Let your shapes dry overnight. Use a Sharpie to make cute faces on your squishy. All done. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And I hope you like this video. And if you like these squishies, give us a thumbs up. Bye! Announcement. There will be a reward if you enter this boxing challenge. And you will win 3 squishies. cotton candy squishy, cookie squishy, or pizza squishy. And you can pick which one. To be continued.